welcome. This is the most fun I've ever had on a prepper haul. I think you'll be surprised at how many items I bought for $20. I wanted to keep this fun and simple, but within a challenge you have to have rules, so I made 4 simple rules. Number 1, spend only $20. Number 2, shop at only one store. In this challenge, it was Walmart. Number 3, buy a variety of items. It couldn't be all the same items, but I could buy the same item if I bought a different flavor of that item. And I limited myself to that also. And number 4, once I put the item in the cart, I had to buy the item. Stay tuned. At the end, I'll show you my receipt. Let's get started. Here's what I got for $20. Some muffin mix. As far as vegetables, sliced carrots, mixed vegetable medley. This is the first time I have seen this item at Walmart. Some smaller green beans. We have whole kernel corn, diced carrots, peas and carrots, mushroom pieces and stems. I like putting these on pizza. About 3 ramen noodles. I think these were 22 cents a piece. Beef, creamy chicken, and pork. A long time ago, I was watching a YouTube channel and I could not find the video today, but this guy bought these pork flavor ramen noodles and used the packet in these to can pork and use it as bouillon. Bought some toothpaste. This right here, these toothbrushes, 73 cents, name brand. Also have black pepper and iodized salt. I consider this 2 items, pepper and salt. And by the way, there is 35 items here for $20. Some rice, some chicken flavored fried rice. This was the most expensive item. I paid $1 for this. This is an item I bought to try out. Some hot salsa casera. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Tomato sauce, tomato soup. Here I bought some instant potatoes. I bought 2 gravy mixes, brown gravy and turkey gravy, active dry yeast. Here I have tuna and chicken, that was my meat, chicken noodles, and cream of mushroom. Here we have chicken broth and beef broth, some chili beans, pork and beans, sardines and water. And we'll finish it off with some cherry jello and chocolate pudding. This will last forever. And lastly, we have a forever food, baking soda. Let me know in the comments if you have done something similar to this challenge or you want to take me up on this challenge. I'm really surprised at how much I got for $20. There's a lot of food here for $20, and then toothpaste and toothbrushes. 35 items for $20. Here's the receipt. Right there, $20.41. I know this isn't a serious prepper haul, but nonetheless, it's a prepper haul and it was so much fun. You should try doing this. What it helped me do is realize if I'm on a limited budget, it's amazing what you can get for $20. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you'll take me up on the challenge. And if you take me up on the challenge, let me know in the comments what items you got. I am very interested in seeing how many items you got for $20. And as always, until next time, happy prepper shopping.